Hello everyone, I'm Purvi Dave. For the sustainable environment, it's very important to keep harmony with nature. Because our life on earth depends on environment and environment remains healthy and safe when we keep the balance between our needs and resources that are available for us. And it's possible when we follow the 3 R's of environment: reduce, reuse, and recycle the waste to reduce the pollution. This way only we can rejuvenate our Mother Earth, we can revive our nature. In this presentation, I'm going to show you how I follow the 3 R's at my home. First of all, whenever I buy something, I just make sure that whether the product is recyclable or not, whether the packaging is with less plastic or not. These all the things will make us conscious. For example, when I buy the grocery item, I just observe what is written in the bag, because in the plastic, every plastic there is a symbol given over here. It will make us understand which type of plastic it is and whether it is recyclable or not. Here it is written 51 micron, 51 plus. That means this bag is recyclable. But I just collect it, and once in a week only I give all the plastic packaging, plastic and all these things together. Okay, this is one of the way we can go green. Another way is to buy a refillable products. Whenever I go to the market, I just try to buy the things that are refillable, because this will reduce more and more containers to buy from the market, because even the glass has to be recycled. Some more things like eco-friendly earbuds. These are totally biodegradable, so after using these are not harmful for the environment. It will merge in the soil. And this is eco-friendly toothbrush, bamboo brush. So after using this brush, when we don't want it, when we throw this will not harm the environment. It will be decomposed in the soil by the bacteria in the soil. So this way we can just go green. One more thing, I always keep handkerchief with me to avoid the paper napkins. So these are the things we can always do. These are not so much of costly also. These are pocket friendly, and we feel that we are doing somewhat for our mother nature. Another way to reduce the waste is always bring your own bag. Whenever I go to market, I always have my own bag, and inside it also there are multiple small cloth bags, because for buying the vegetables and fruits we need separate bags. So I never buy any type of plastic bags from outside, even if the shopkeeper gives it at free of cost, but I never buy it. Even sometimes people remember me, like shopkeepers always remember me like that this lady will never take the plastic carry bags like that, and I feel happy to resemble like this. Then whenever I go to long tour, I always have this type of eco-friendly things. This is a tray, eco-friendly tray made up from the dry leaves of banana and other things. And this is eco-friendly spoons. These are the eco-friendly cups, paper cups. For taking vegetables, I always take this type of small cloth bags along with this big one. And I never take plastic bags, because that is really harmful for the environment. It will never be recycled, so I never take that. Even if the shopkeeper give us free of cost, but I never take that. And I think everyone should do this. Whatever green kitchen waste is there, that I keep in this basket, and this is for feeding the cow. So this way the green garbage always used for the street animals. And finally, stainless steel water bottle. This is always there with me at the place of job, or at the shopping place, or wherever I go. I always have the water bottle and this jute bag along with this. So this way the small changes can make us eco-conscious, and we can serve for mother nature. We can do little bit. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more such presentations. And go green, love and care mother nature.